Sean "Diddy" Combs is at the center of a groundbreaking federal trial, capturing global attention. New evidence has surfaced, potentially altering the case's trajectory. With over 2.2 million monthly searches, public interest is at an all-time high, as each revelation from Manhattan's federal courthouse adds layers to this high-stakes legal drama. The Diddy trial captivates global attention, with each update amassing over 100,000 views. This case has evolved beyond entertainment, becoming a cultural phenomenon. Legal experts, social commentators, and the public are engrossed, while celebrity ties amplify its viral impact, fueling ongoing social media and mainstream discourse. At the core of the charges are allegations of racketeering conspiracy, with claims that Diddy ran his business empire as a criminal enterprise. The indictment includes sex trafficking, accusing him of transporting individuals across state lines for sexual purposes using coercion. Additional charges involve facilitating prostitution within his entertainment operations. Diddy was arrested in September 2024 and remains in custody. The prosecution's case centers on alleged freak-offs, elaborate sexual events orchestrated by Diddy. They claim he used his entertainment empire to facilitate these, leveraging employees and resources. Evidence suggests detailed planning, including drug procurement and travel coordination. Witnesses report threats, force, and manipulation to ensure participation and silence. Mark Agnifilo, Diddy's attorney, argues the prosecution unfairly targets Diddy's private life, framing consensual activities as criminal. He acknowledges past domestic issues, but denies any criminal enterprise or trafficking. The defense claims this is an overreach into Diddy's consensual, albeit unconventional, sexual activities. The prosecution has unveiled compelling evidence from raids on Diddy's properties, including hundreds of bottles of lubricants, restraints, and specialized furniture. Additionally, dozens of sex tapes, some showing participants in distress, were found on encrypted hard drives. Over 20 new witnesses have testified about coercion, drug use, and intimidation tactics during these encounters. Cassie Ventura, a pivotal witness, recounts an 11-year relationship with Diddy, characterized by alleged abuse and control. Her testimony reveals coercion into non-consensual freak-offs with male sex workers, under Diddy's observation and participation. Ventura's detailed accounts highlight a pattern of manipulation, extending beyond her 2023 lawsuit settlement. Court transcripts reveal jurors' reactions to harrowing testimonies of victims' conditions. Witnesses described physical trauma, including urinary tract infections and exhaustion, from prolonged activities. Sleep deprivation was common, with individuals kept awake for days using stimulants. Psychological control was exerted through isolation, monitored communications, and threats, creating an environment of fear and manipulation. Federal Bureau of Investigation digital forensics experts unveiled encrypted messages and videos, revealing a coordinated network. Encrypted apps were used for planning, while cloud storage held videos of alleged coerced activities. Financial records showed payments, and location data confirmed interstate transport. This digital evidence bolsters the prosecution's case, aligning with witness accounts and illustrating a consistent pattern of behavior. Prosecutors revealed a list of 190 entertainment figures linked to Diddy's activities, including stars like Michael B. Jordan and Britney Spears. The list spans performers, executives, and industry gatekeepers, indicating widespread involvement. At least 30 individuals may testify, with some possibly receiving immunity for their cooperation. Kanye West has publicly supported Diddy during the trial, stating his long-standing friendship with him. Despite West's controversial reputation, his support raises questions about loyalty and potential self-preservation. A recorded call between Diddy and West suggests Diddy advised West to focus on music, possibly to maintain West's support amid mounting legal issues. Young Miami, also known as Karesha Brownlee, faces serious allegations in connection with the Diddy case, including claims of narcotics transportation and acting as a sex worker. She denies these accusations, labeling them as opportunistic. Despite her denials, her career has suffered, with canceled appearances and lost endorsements, while her social media remains silent. The trial is reshaping celebrity narratives, with former allies distancing themselves from Diddy, erasing past connections. New allegations from Jane Doe and John Doe include harassment and coercion, intensifying scrutiny. Media outlets are reevaluating past coverage, questioning ignored warning signs. Brands are severing ties, impacting celebrity endorsements, and altering industry dynamics. The trial's media frenzy highlights the clash between defense and prosecution narratives. Diddy's team argues privacy invasion, claiming the crime scene is his private life. Prosecutors counter, labeling this as victim gaslighting, stressing the charges focus on coercion and exploitation, not consensual acts. The lead prosecutor emphasizes the abuse of power within the entertainment empire. The jury must decide if Diddy used force, fraud, or coercion in alleged activities, or if they were consensual. They must assess if his business was a criminal enterprise under the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, evaluate witness credibility, and determine if the prosecution has proven its case beyond a reasonable doubt. Diddy faces life imprisonment if convicted on all counts, including sex trafficking and racketeering. His $900 million business empire risks dissolution under racketeer-influenced and corrupt organization statutes. A conviction could overshadow his 3-decade legacy and prompt numerous civil lawsuits from alleged victims seeking damages. The trial's impact on social media is immense, with TikTok videos surpassing 10 million views and Diddy Trial reaching over 2 billion impressions. Twitter hosts heated debates on celebrity culture and justice, while YouTube channels offer in-depth analyses, drawing millions of viewers. This digital frenzy highlights the public's fascination and concern over the unfolding events. Legal analysts anticipate further revelations in the trial. Court documents suggest subpoenas for more A-list celebrities. Forensic teams are decrypting files, hinting at new evidence. Some individuals may have secured immunity deals for testimony. Rumors of international connections could expand the investigation beyond United States borders. The trial has unveiled unprecedented digital evidence, setting new legal precedents. The involvement of numerous industry figures exposes uncomfortable truths about power dynamics and complicity in entertainment. Unlike past scandals, this case prioritizes victims' testimonies, shifting the justice system's approach. After years of secrecy, the full scope of allegations against Diddy is now public through sworn testimony and evidence. As the trial nears its end, the Manhattan Federal Courthouse is the focal point. This case is pivotal, reshaping perceptions of celebrity power. Anticipated outcomes include stronger industry safeguards, influential legal precedents, and evolving public discourse on consent and power. The trial's conclusion may redefine the intersection of celebrity and law for years.